The world of finance is shifting dramatically as cryptocurrency gains unprecedented momentum. From major acquisitions in the crypto space to groundbreaking price predictions, the landscape is evolving. Stay tuned as we explore the top 10 stories impacting the globe today. The cryptocurrency market is experiencing ongoing shifts that reflect its dynamic nature. As new projects emerge and established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to dominate, the landscape is ever-changing. Market participants must stay informed about these developments to navigate the complexities of investing in digital assets. The current trends indicate a growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies among institutional players, which may lead to a more stable and mature market. Furthermore, the ongoing discussions surrounding regulatory frameworks are crucial for establishing trust and legitimacy in the sector. As the market continues to evolve, it is essential for investors to monitor these trends closely and adapt their strategies accordingly. The future of cryptocurrency holds many possibilities, and staying ahead of the curve will be key to success in this exciting and rapidly changing environment. As the cryptocurrency landscape evolves, new projects are emerging that capture the attention of investors. The AlphaPepe presale, for example, has shown impressive results, indicating a strong interest in innovative offerings within the market. These new projects often focus on addressing security concerns and enhancing user experience, which are critical components for attracting early-stage investors. The influx of new projects reflects a broader trend of creativity and experimentation in the crypto space. Investors are keen to explore the potential of these new offerings, which may provide unique advantages and opportunities. However, as with any investment, caution is warranted. It is essential for investors to conduct thorough research and due diligence before engaging with new cryptocurrency projects. The ongoing competition among these projects will likely drive innovation and push the boundaries of what can be achieved in the digital asset world. The cryptocurrency market remains highly volatile, with price fluctuations significantly impacting investor sentiment and trading strategies. Recent developments, such as predictions surrounding Bitcoin's potential surge past $50,000 and Ethereum's evolving role in decentralized finance, contribute to this volatility as traders react swiftly to news and market trends. This unpredictable environment is compounded by ongoing regulatory scrutiny, which adds layers of uncertainty. While some investors thrive on volatility, employing aggressive trading tactics, others adopt a more cautious approach, favoring established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum as safer bets. The recent successes of presales for new tokens further illustrate the market's dynamic nature, attracting a mix of risk-tolerant and risk-averse participants. Understanding these shifts is crucial for navigating the complex landscape of cryptocurrencies. As the market continues to evolve, investors must remain vigilant and adaptable, preparing for both potential opportunities and challenges in the upcoming weeks. The cryptocurrency market is witnessing a notable increase in institutional interest, driven by innovative projects and regulatory advancements. Major financial institutions are increasingly exploring the potential of digital assets, signaling a shift from speculative trading to more strategic, long-term investments. This growing interest is highlighted by significant acquisitions, such as Bullish's recent purchase of Equiniti, which enhances their offerings in the digital asset space. The entry of institutional players marks a maturation of the cryptocurrency market, emphasizing compliance, security, and risk management. As these entities adopt blockchain technology, the implications for market stability and growth are profound, potentially reducing volatility and increasing investor confidence. This institutional participation could lead to the development of more robust infrastructure, enhancing the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies in the eyes of regulators and the public. Looking ahead, as more institutions enter the market, we may see accelerated innovation and broader acceptance of digital currencies, fundamentally transforming the financial landscape. As the cryptocurrency market evolves, recent reactions from investors and analysts reveal significant emerging trends. A notable surge in presale activity, particularly for projects like AlphaPepe, highlights a growing appetite for innovative offerings in this dynamic space. This increase suggests that investors are becoming more discerning, prioritizing secure and audited projects as they navigate the complexities of crypto investments. In addition, predictions around Bitcoin and Ethereum prices indicate that analysts maintain a cautiously optimistic outlook, bolstered by rising institutional interest. This shift underscores a broader recognition of cryptocurrencies as viable long-term investment assets. However, the evolving landscape also presents challenges as regulatory scrutiny intensifies and market volatility remains a concern. Investors are urged to adopt a careful, informed approach to market engagement. Observing how the market reacts to these developments will be crucial in shaping future investment strategies. As the sector matures, the potential for sustainable growth and innovation in cryptocurrencies appears increasingly promising. The cryptocurrency regulatory landscape is undergoing significant changes as governments worldwide aim to establish clear frameworks. In recent months, regulatory discussions have intensified, focusing on the migration of core crypto products and infrastructure into regulated environments. This shift is pivotal for enhancing security and fostering greater trust among investors, particularly after several high-profile scandals that shook the market. Regulatory bodies are expanding their enforcement efforts into previously overlooked areas, signaling a proactive approach to governance in the rapidly evolving digital asset space. These developments arrive at a time when the demand for transparency and accountability in cryptocurrency transactions is at an all-time high, driven by both consumer interest and institutional investment. Companies like Société Générale are responding by expanding their digital asset services in compliance with these evolving regulations, positioning themselves strategically within the market. As the regulatory environment continues to evolve, market participants must adapt to the new rules and requirements. This transformation will likely influence the future of cryptocurrency operations and investment strategies, shaping a more secure and regulated market landscape. Ethereum is making headlines as predictions suggest its price could approach $10,000. This bullish projection is being driven by sustained institutional demand, positive ETF flows, and the growth of staking within the Ethereum network. As one of the leading altcoins, Ethereum's performance is closely monitored by investors and analysts alike. The cryptocurrency has demonstrated remarkable resilience despite ongoing market fluctuations, underscoring its potential for future growth. The anticipated price increase is underpinned by a robust ecosystem that supports decentralized applications and smart contracts, making Ethereum a cornerstone of the blockchain revolution. However, the path to $10,000 is contingent upon broader market support and ongoing interest from institutional players, which have increasingly recognized the value of blockchain technology. If Ethereum reaches this price point, it could significantly influence the cryptocurrency sector, attracting more retail investors and potentially leading to increased regulatory scrutiny. In the coming weeks, all eyes will be on Ethereum as it navigates these challenges and opportunities, with many anticipating a landmark moment in the crypto landscape. In the cryptocurrency market, the AlphaPepe presale has garnered significant attention, surpassing $1.1 million in funding. This presale is a crucial step as AlphaPepe prepares for its anticipated Q2 launch, marking a pivotal moment for the project. The current stage of the presale has seen rapid participation, with a growing number of holders exceeding 8,300. The demand for AlphaPepe can be attributed to its completed audit and an impressive live product demo, which has already attracted more than 1,000 active users. This project aims to address security concerns that are prevalent among early-stage buyers, a critical issue in today's volatile market. As the presale continues to gain traction, the potential for price increases is now a focal point, with expectations of a price reset before broader exchange access is granted. The enthusiasm around AlphaPepe mirrors a broader trend in the cryptocurrency space, where innovative projects are capturing investor interest. As AlphaPepe moves closer to its launch, its success will likely depend on maintaining momentum and delivering on its promises, setting the stage for a competitive debut in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Bitcoin's price has become a hot topic once again, as analysts are predicting a potential surge to $250,000. This prediction comes from Fundstrat's Tom Lee, who cites factors such as institutional adoption and increased demand for Bitcoin ETFs as key drivers. Over the past few years, Bitcoin has evolved from a niche digital currency into a mainstream financial asset, with institutional players like hedge funds and publicly traded companies increasingly allocating portions of their portfolios to cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market is often volatile, but the current indicators suggest a bullish trend that could lead to significant price movements. Lee's forecast highlights the possibility that Bitcoin may break away from its traditional 4-year cycle, suggesting a new paradigm for the cryptocurrency's valuation. The impact of such a price increase would be profound, potentially attracting more retail investors and further legitimizing Bitcoin as a mainstream asset. Additionally, increased adoption could spur innovation in blockchain technology and decentralized finance. As the market watches closely, the question remains, will Bitcoin reach this ambitious target? With growing institutional interest and regulatory clarity on the horizon, many believe that Bitcoin could indeed achieve this milestone by the end of the year. In a significant move for the cryptocurrency market, crypto exchange Bullish has announced its acquisition of transfer agent Equiniti for $4.2 billion. This acquisition aims to establish a structured infrastructure that integrates blockchain technology with traditional capital markets. Founded to bridge the gap between digital assets and conventional finance, Bullish is led by former NYSE President Thomas Farley. By leveraging Equiniti's established platforms, Bullish intends to facilitate the transition towards tokenization in capital markets, a process that could fundamentally reshape how assets are managed and traded. The deal comprises approximately $1.85 billion in assumed debt and around $2.35 billion in Bullish stock. This acquisition is expected to provide access to regulated transfer agent services that are currently lacking in the crypto sector, addressing a significant hurdle to institutional adoption. The absence of such services has limited the ability of institutional investors to engage with cryptocurrencies. Farley emphasized that tokenization represents a transformative shift in capital markets, creating new opportunities for blue-chip issuer relationships. This strategic acquisition is poised to enhance institutional involvement in the crypto space, paving the way for more secure and efficient transactions. As Bullish integrates Equiniti's capabilities, the financial landscape may witness a new era of innovation and regulatory compliance. The industry's future will likely see an acceleration of similar mergers and partnerships, further integrating traditional and digital finance. Thank you for watching today's roundup of the most impactful news stories. Which story surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.